Okay guys, so if you hadn't guessed already, we are at a certain chocolatey hotel today. Actually, it's not even a hotel, but it's a pretty cool name. And what we're doing is installing the brand new walkway lines in here. So we're shot blasting in a set of walkway lines running all the way down here. We're going to be using a two-part system today, and we're going to get the shot in, clean everything up with the mag brush you can see just over there. That'll lift any loose bits of shot. So you can see we've got up to here. Those little bits of shot we lifted up. Then we can tape everything out. Vacuum, tape it, then paint it, then repaint it and seal it. So it's quite a long process, but leaves an absolutely superb finish. One of the things we've done to our shot blaster, you'll see there's a small pointer that we've mounted to the front. Now we just welded this on. Let me show you. And the idea of this is it just helps us keep a really nice straight line all the way down, because of course, that's exactly what we're looking for. Anyway, I'm going to crack on, give these guys a hand, and I will see you guys in the next video.